Have you ever struggled to understand native English speakers? Do they speak too fast or use words you don't know? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, powerful, and daily 10-minute challenge that will help you listen like a native and speak like a native. And the best part? You don't need boring textbooks, complicated grammar rules, or hours of study. Just 10 minutes a day, and you'll start noticing results faster than you think. So, get ready to change your English listening and speaking skills forever. Why listening like a native is important. 1. Understanding real English. Listening is the key to speaking fluently. If you can understand native speakers, you can speak confidently in real conversations. Most learners focus too much on grammar and vocabulary, but the real fluency comes from listening to real English every day. 2. Training your brain. When you listen daily, your brain starts recognizing patterns, sounds, and sentence structures naturally. You won't need to translate in your head. Understanding becomes automatic. 3. Pronunciation and accent. Listening also improves your pronunciation. By hearing native speakers repeatedly, your tongue learns the correct rhythm, intonation, and stress of English words. Soon, you will sound more like a native speaker. Step 1. Choose the right audio, 3 to 5 o'clock. Pick short clips of native speakers, podcasts, YouTube videos, TV shows, or TikTok clips. Start with 1 to 2 minutes of simple conversations. Example, a short conversation about ordering coffee, greetings, or daily routines. Step 2. First listening, 5 to 7 o'clock. Listen without pausing. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Focus on catching the rhythm, speed, and tone of the conversation. Step 3. Listen again and shadow. Play the audio line by line. Repeat exactly what the speaker says, same words, same intonation, same rhythm. This technique is called shadowing, and it trains your ears and mouth together. Tip: don't stop if you make mistakes. The goal is practice, not perfection. Step 4. Break down hard words. Pause the audio on difficult words or phrases. Repeat them slowly. Example: I'm going to the supermarket. Break into smaller parts. I'm going to the supermarket. Step 5. Repeat daily. Practice 10 minutes every day. Daily practice is better than long, irregular sessions. Over time, your listening skills will improve automatically, and speaking will follow. Part 3. Additional tips to master listening. 1. Listen in different accents. American, British, Australian. Your brain will adjust to different sounds. Example: water sounds different in American, water, and British, wada. 2. Don't translate everything. Focus on meaning, not every single word. Your brain will learn to understand English naturally without translating to your native language. 3. Use subtitles smartly. First, watch with English subtitles. Later, try without subtitles. Gradually, you'll start understanding native speed conversations effortlessly. 4. Practice shadowing with emotions. Notice the tone, stress, and emotion of the speaker. English is not just words, it's how you say it that makes it sound natural. 5. Record yourself. Listen to your own voice. Compare with the native speaker. Correct your pronunciation and intonation. Part 4. Sample 10-minute session. Step 1. Select a short 1-minute audio. Example conversation: ordering a coffee at a cafe. Step 2. Listen once without speaking. Focus on rhythm and intonation. Step 3. Shadowing practice. Repeat line by line. Speaker: hi, can I get a cappuccino, please? You: hi, can I get a cappuccino, please? Do this for the entire conversation. Step 4. Record and check. Record your voice and compare with the original. Fix mistakes and repeat until it sounds natural. Step 5. Daily routine. Do this every day with different short clips. Within weeks, your listening and speaking skills will dramatically improve. Part 5. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Skipping listening practice. Many learners focus on grammar and ignore listening. Solution. Always include listening first, then speaking. 2. Repeating too fast. Don't rush. Shadow slowly and accurately at first. Speed comes naturally over time. 3. Being perfect-oriented. Don't aim for perfection. Mistakes are part of learning. 4. Not practicing daily. Consistency beats intensity. 10 minutes daily greater than 1 hour once a week. Part 6. Motivation and call to action. Now it's your turn. Start your daily 10-minute listen and repeat challenge today. Pick any short English clip, listen, shadow, and repeat. Comment below when you start, and share your favorite audio clips. Tag your friends and make it a challenge together. Remember, fluency is not magic, it's practice. 10 minutes a day and you will notice huge progress in just a few weeks. So, are you ready to listen like a native and speak like a native? Let's do it together. Part 7. Extra tips for speeding up learning. 1. Use English everywhere. Listen to music, podcasts, and YouTube in English daily. Try to think in English, not your native language. 2. Speak with others. Join English speaking groups or online communities. Shadowing with a partner is even more effective. 3. Keep a notebook. Write down new phrases and pronunciation patterns. Review weekly. 4. Use apps for extra practice. Apps like LinkU, Elsa Speak, or FluentU help improve listening and speaking. 5. Stay consistent. Even on busy days, do 10 minutes. Progress is about habits, not intensity. Congratulations! You now have the full strategy to master English listening and speaking in just 10 minutes a day. Remember, practice every day, repeat often, and don't be afraid of mistakes. If you do this daily in 30 days, you will notice a huge difference in your confidence, pronunciation, and understanding of real English. So start today. Listen, repeat, and become fluent like a native speaker. Share your progress in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Fluent Avenuex for more tips and challenges. Your fluency journey starts now. Let's go.